so this is how our kitchen is. There's one question that I would like to answer. Roof, it is totally white already. I know, I love white so much that this house is going. My bicycle broke. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Happy Thursday. Today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update of the house. As you guys can see on the background, I have some people that is painting the roof. So yesterday they have started painting the roof and they were able to finish the primer, which is the red lid. Yeah, so that's why you can see that it is totally red. And here in front of the terrace, you can also see that they are already starting to paint it white. Yes. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I know that I was asking some of you if what is like the color of the roof, and a lot of you said like green or yellow or red or whatsoever, but there you go, that's the reveal. It's gonna be white, guys. I know, I love white so much that this house is going to be a white house. This is a white house here in the province. That's why the roof is gonna be white. And I am praying that it's not gonna rain. I can already feel some drizzle, or else it's just gonna wash out the paint that they are doing right now. So please, Lord, please don't cry today. I hope the sun is gonna show up. I can feel some drizzle. But anyway, so yeah, that's the current update for now about the roof. So hopefully they will be able to finish that today. And also I have someone work on the cabinets for the countertop, I mean for the kitchen. So we are going to check that out as well. I am actually planning to fly my drone so you guys can see closely like the roof and how they're gonna like paint it and stuff, but I can already feel some drizzle, so that's not a good sign. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys as well some of the materials that I got for the house. I think this is going to be like the last materials that I need to get in order for the house to be finished. And I know that a lot of you are asking for a house tour and asking how much did I really spend for everything. Yes, don't worry guys, please be patient. You know, I've been wanting to finish this house like since this started, and if I only had unlimited budget, then this house has been finished already since last year, you know. So I've just been like waiting for my paycheck and then tried to buy more materials for it to be really complete. So now I got the last materials, and in a matter of few weeks or few days maybe, we should be able to have a house tour, and also how much did I really spend for everything. I'm gonna really share that to you guys, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you some of the materials that I got. So let's try to go down because I went like uphill in there. Okay, so for the materials guys, these are the ones that I got yesterday. It was also delivered yesterday, so that's good. We're gonna start with this one over here. This is called metal furring. I got 25 pieces and each piece cost 85 pesos. The second one is this one over here. This is called metal pasya. I'm not quite sure what is it in English, but that's how it's looking. Let me know guys, what do you call it? I think this is like gutter, but it's not really gutter. It's just like the thing that you put like here so that you cannot see the wood that is holding the roof. So yeah, we are gonna put that in, and yes, it is definitely color white as well. So I got 25 pieces of this metal pasya as well, and each one cost 270 pesos. They gave me a discount because I got a lot from them. And then aside from that, can you guys see we have something here as well. Aside from that guys, I also have here this bamboo. I got 2 bamboo because we are going to make like a seating area here in this side, because it definitely feels so good. It's very cozy here because we have these trees and it's gonna give you some shade, and there's like nice breeze. And also yeah, I decided to get like 2 bamboo. So there you go. I think they're gonna work on it in the next few days. And then update guys for our kitchen. This is how it's looking currently. So I have here like these cabinets that is being installed, and here in this side as well. So all he has to do is to put the door, and then we're gonna paint it white, of course. So yeah, that's how it's looking. This is what he was able to finish yesterday. And right now he is currently trying to do the door for each of these cabinets. I'm quite happy for this. We're really almost finished as well. And then I know that the other day I showed you guys that I got some wall shelves, and this is how it's looking right now. So I tried to put some flowers in there and it looks really good. I love it so much. And these are like the brackets that is holding the shelves. So yeah, I got their like teacups and this like mugs, her Royal Highness, his Royal Highness, that's supposed to be for me and Tom, but since he's not here, I'm not gonna use mine. I'll just like display it there for now. So there's that. And then the other one is here on the side. So I have here like the wine glasses, and there you go guys, that's my collection. When I was like traveling, I always drop by Starbucks in each of the airport. So I got Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia. There you go. And another shelf here guys, this is going to be my altar. I know I got a clock in there, but I'm gonna replace that. I still need to get like Santo Niño, Mama Mary, and Papa Jesus to put in there, and a few candles and like flowers as well. So yeah, there you go. And here in my room guys, this is my cute office table. This is where I edit, and it's got the Wi-Fi there as you guys can see. Alright, so I put here 2 wall shelves as well. So there's nothing in here for now. Like I just put this like vase. I need to get flowers for it. And then we have this like album, family album. I just put it in there. And of course here at the top, I still need to get a few stuff here for it to look nice. Maybe like some plants and whatnot. This is my award last year, or last year I think, 2019. Vlogger of the Year. I was awarded by Mega World from Best Cebu Vlogs Awards 2019 I think. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, there you go. So yeah, I am really happy with getting the shelves guys. If you are interested, you can get these in Mandawi foam. This is not sponsored, but I love it, and these brackets as well are from there. So right now it is currently 11:30, so we have 30 minutes left before we're gonna have our lunch. Now since I have some people work here in the house, you actually have 2 options if you want to give them like free food or not. So for me, since they are like my relatives, I will have like free lunch for them, like free snacks as well. You have the option to also not include that. You'll just have to give them more for their daily rate, because if you are going to think about it, it works the same way. Anyway, for their convenience, I'm gonna be trying to cook some vegetable soup for lunch. So our vegetable soup, guys, here in the countryside is going to be this. I don't know what is this in English though, but this is called gabi, but in Bisaya. But later on, I'm gonna try to search what is this in English, but this is how it's looking. Aside from that, we have here some cabbage. We have here squash. And then for our spices, we have onion, garlic, lemongrass, very little, and we have here some spring onions as well. So pretty much what we're going to do is just put everything in the pots and then let it boil. Oh, by the way, we have one left. We have here this malunggay. In English, this is called in English, this is called moringa leaves. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and start cooking. So it's been a few minutes that the water is in there and it is already hot. Now we are going to put some of our ingredients that take some time to be cooked. We are gonna start with this one that I still do not know what is it in English. But yeah, we're gonna put it now. Right, there you go. And then we are going to wait a few minutes because the other ingredients that we have, the other veggies, doesn't take too long to be cooked. So we'll just simmer that for a few minutes. Let's try to check it. It's boiling hot now. We're gonna put in our squash because the squash also takes some time to be cooked. Going to put the onion, garlic, lemongrass, and the spring onion. So we'll just put everything in. And then let's try to mix it all up. Now we're gonna put in our cabbage. almost done, guys. We are gonna put in the last but not least moringa leaves. This has a lot of nutrients. This is really good for you. So we're gonna put this all in. Then we're gonna put some salt. So our vegetable soup is already finished, so we are ready to actually eat. But before that, I need to cook some dried fish. I tasted it already. It tastes amazing. This is very healthy. All right, success. That's the food. Happy launching. Hey guys, we just finished with lunch. That was good. Right now I actually charged my drone because I'm gonna try to fly it up so that we can see the progress of the roof, so you guys can see or have a closer look of how the roof is looking. The rain did not continue, so that's a very good thing. I'm so happy for that. So here's my drone. It has been so long that I did not fly this drone, so good luck to me. Let's see if I still know how to use this. All right. Hello everyone, so it is a few days after since that previous clip that you guys saw. That's because I have just been busy here in the house trying to sort it out, trying to get more materials for it. It's very windy. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update of the house. I am here up in the hill near the road so that you guys can see how the roof is looking at the moment. So pretty much the roof has been painted already, like it has been finished. And again, the first coating that we did is called red lid or the primer. After that, we have a final color of the roof and it is white. This is how it's looking right now. Actually, I have some people working on the house currently and they are trying to do the roof in the side so it would look good. This is basically the last thing that we are going to work in the house and then we should be finished. I'm also gonna show you guys the kitchen as well, since we have already kind of finished. It's not totally finished, but kind of finished the cabinets because we ran out of paint. So I'm not gonna fly my drone anymore. I'll just like show it to you guys from this perspective. I think you guys can see. I'll try to zoom in. All right, let me try to go up here. Alright, so this is how the house is looking, guys, in this perspective. You guys can see that the roof, it is totally white already, like there and then here on this side. And then what they are currently working on right now is actually like this thing. We call this a metal sanipa. Metal. Usually people would call this like gutter, but it is not gutter, guys. We are not collecting water from the rain. It's just pretty much to like lock the roof. I don't know, that's how it is. Let me know, guys, what do you guys call it in English, because I tried to look it up, I couldn't find it, but that is called metal sanipa in Bisaya. So as you guys can see on this side, I have two people working on it right now, and I think tomorrow they should be able to finish this. And there you can see my tank, which is totally empty. I still have to get a hose so that we can have it connected to the shower and to the kitchen as well. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It looks pretty cool now. I mean, I love it because it is very white. Alright, I'm just gonna go down now. So that's how the house is looking. As you guys can see, we still have like a lot of stuff in here. We have to get rid of them. So this is how our kitchen is looking right now. As you guys can see, it looks pretty neat because we have painted it white already. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. Now here in this cabinet, I'm not gonna open this because that's where our trash is. So here on this side, actually this is just one coating of painting, and then we have skim coating as well. If we're gonna open it, it's not totally painted yet, as you guys can see, because I ran out of paint, so we still have to work on that. And then here on this other side, right, so that's how it's looking. Again, it's not totally finished. We still have to paint it like there. That's why I did not put all of this stuff here yet. And like I didn't really put a lock for these cabinets. I just like use a magnetic thing. That is how it's looking. If we close it, it magnets. And then here on the last one, this is gonna be very messy, guys. So sorry I did not like arrange everything yet because it's not really finished. As you guys can see here, we still have to do like skim coating and a paint. So yeah, this is how the kitchen update now. You guys saw the shelves already, which is my favorite. And yeah, once these here are already like functional, I want all of these stuff to actually put inside a cabinet because I want it here to be clear so I can like have the freedom to work on whatever I would like to cook. Do you know what I mean? Because like here, this is like the only space that I can work on if I'm cooking something. It's very limited. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of this and put it here and here. So yeah, this is how our kitchen is looking, guys. What do you guys think? I like it actually, like to be honest, but I still need to get paint for the cabinets. But yeah, I love these and that. Also, I still need to get a faucet, by the way, for the water. So yeah, we're gonna work on that as well. And I just finished cooking some food for our builders since we give them free food for lunch. So this is vegetable soup, and we've got some banana over there, some rice, and here we have some beef loaf. Great. Hello, I just finished with lunch. By the way, it's Monday today, and yesterday my friends were here, and yeah, we had so much fun doing video game and cycling as well. And unfortunately, my bicycle broke. Oh my gosh, it's so sad, you guys, because actually this bicycle is fairly cheap. I got it for only about $50 and everyone here, like all the kids, like my mom, my sister, all of us were like using it to learn how to cycle. It gave up on us. It wasn't even a month. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. There's one question that I would like to answer that I read on the comment section in one of my videos, and it says like, why is it that when I vlog my mom is not there, or like she's not part of my vlogs? That is actually because my mom is working in the city every day. That's like Monday until Saturday, and her day off is only Sunday. And every time I film a video, she is not here. And if you guys can remember, in one of my videos wherein I was cooking Filipino breakfast for my family, if you have watched that video, then you guys saw that my mom was part of it. That's because I filmed that video on a Sunday. So yeah, I hope that's clear. Anyway guys, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media accounts. Everything is at meljeansolon. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!